Good morning and welcome back to our channel Abhey, the YouTube testing tutorial channel. Let us gain knowledge on testing concepts. Hi everyone, today's topic is testing. Let us gain knowledge in testing. Software testing is a process of executing the application with the intent of finding the defects by comparing the output behavior of the application with expected behavior. Humans make mistakes all the time. Software testing is really required to point out the defects and errors that were made during the development phases. We humans can't identify our mistakes in work done with expected behavior. We had understood what is test engineer job. But who is a good test engineer? What qualities person should have to be a good test engineer? Here is the list of qualities to be possessed by a person to be a good test engineer. They are testing concepts, communication, analytical skills, initiator, out-of-box, quick learner, leadership, teamwork. Please click on like, share, subscribe button to support our channel and get notification from us. Thank you one and all for supporting our channel.